soften a little. And I'm giving you this appeal also as an older brother to you. Do not hang and say, unless it is the CBA, to the point, no discussion. No.
Thutha wa ihinda ria kwaraniria guku kamiti ya Senate ogima wa mwiri ikigeria kuiguithia marigitari mororohie ngoro niguo mahote gucoka mathibitari-ini gutungatira arwaru, miario no ni hanire ta yagia na maciaro thutha wa mwandiki munene wa kiama kia marigitari KMPDU kuga marigitari ni megwitikira kuguagua niguo hamwe na thirikari na honge ingi mahote gwetha kihonia gia kunina mugomo.
I think it's time to compromise, that's the truth. But only as far as it's done by both sides.
Kwa ihinda ria thikũ 65 marigitari makoretwo makiuga kiria kingi macokia wira-ini no CBA iria mekiranĩire kirore na thirikari miaka 3 mithiru. No Machage akamoria metikire kuiyukia kigina kiria thirikari amaigĩire metha igũrũ kia nyongerera ya gicunjĩ kia 40 harĩ 100.
Don't let it go. Learn from the teachers. The teachers will be very difficult, and usually towards the exams. They achieve something, they say, we have gotten X. They put it in the pocket. Then when the time is ripe again, they come up and say, now you address this, we want 2 and 3.
Marigitari maugite kuraya na marihi maundu maria mangi makoretwo makimehinyiriria ni unyihu wa madagitari guothe bururi-ini, unyihu wa ataramu o rigitani, kwaga kurihwo mathaa maria makiritie wira-ini na kwaga indo cia kwigita mirimo ta gloves.
It is those situations that actually took us to strike in the first place.
When a doctor has to deliver an HIV patient without gloves or torn gloves, then later he is labeled promiscuous for being tested HIV positive.
Most of our members work in hospitals where they cannot apply for leave, they cannot be off duty. When they work for extra hours, there is no way of compensating because of the shortage.
Solidarity forever. Ona gutuika marigitari makoretwo makioneka ta momitie mitwe ni mareganite na woni ucio guku makiuga ati makoretwo makihuranira ihoto cia a Kenya.
You cannot separate the rights of doctors from the rights of the patient.
It is sad. Kama serikali hamjasikia hivyo, it is sad.
Muthia wa uhoro kiama kia marigitari ndikineire kamiti ino riendekithia rikihoya kamiti ino gwitikira kunyitanira nao miario-ini ya gwetha kihonia kia mugomo uyu. Kuringana na wiguithanio uria wekirwo gatagati ya kamiti ya Senate ogima wa mwiri na kiama kia marigitari KMPDU, no tugire giki ni kiambiriria kia rugendo kia arigitari gucokia motungata mao mathibitari-ini guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.